Hey world, YouTube world. Nick Shepard here of the iLoan Project. I can't wait to show you guys what I just learned. Roll it. So have you ever taken a picture that you thought was a banger, but the sky just looked like poo, like this, and you wanted to make it look like this? I just learned how to change out skies on Photoshop. Now I know this is nothing new, but I know there's tons of people out there just like me who are just getting into Photoshop and things like that. So I figured, why not show you guys how to do it? It's super simple, it's super fast, and this is how we do it.
Alright, so once you've got Photoshop opened and you're staring at your beautiful picture but with the poopy sky and dust on the lens and boring clouds, you're going to go up to the Select tab. You're going to drag that down to Select and Mask. And at that point you're going to go up to your Quick Selection tool, click on it, and you're going to start painting away the foreground. This is what you want to keep in the picture. Depending on the speed of your computer, this may take some time. So once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and select your Refined Edges brush. You're going to use this to paint away all the little details that are hard to mask. So go ahead and zoom in and look for any of these beautiful little baby trees up here that you want to keep in the picture, and go ahead and paint those in. Once you're done doing that, go over to your view mode and select Overlay. Once you're happy with that, you can mess around with the edge and the feather and the contrast of that mask that you've made. Just keep it subtle because this can make it look really weird really quick. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and click OK, and there you have it. You have masked off your foreground. Go ahead and grab your background or sky, drop it in. Go over here, drag it down to the bottom layer, and there you have it. Your sky is in. Click the grab tool and adjust that sky where you want it to be. A little high, don't want those trees in the bottom left showing. And right about there. Perfect. You've now brought in an amazing sky. After that, go ahead and select image, go down to adjustments, go to curves if you want to make it a little bit darker. Mess with the tone curves here a little bit. Drag it out, make it dark, little adjustments, make it moody so everything mixes just a little bit better. Once you're happy with that, click OK, and boom, you have completely masked in a new sky.
So there you have it. Super simple, super easy. And now you can swap out skies on your crappy pictures. Like my crappy pictures, when I swap out skies. Anyway, like I said, this is nothing new. But there are new people getting on Photoshop every day just like myself, and they need to learn these things, so I figured why not make a video. And if you feel so inclined, go ahead and hit that like button. If you are new to the channel and you like the video, go ahead and subscribe, yada yada yada, and I will see you guys next time I decide to, I don't know, get creative. Deuces.